In a tragic development, Rudra Rabha, a purported gang leader implicated in an ongoing criminal case, was discovered deceased while in police custody at Khanapara Police Station. Rabha had been arrested on the 24th of April 2024 in relation to multiple charges outlined in the Khanapara PS Case No. 1203/2024, including offences under the Indian Penal Code and the Arms Act. After receiving 5 days of police custody following a court order on the 25th of April, Rabha reportedly admitted during interrogation to hiding a firearm in a nearby jungle. Acting on this information, authorities conducted a search in the Ranibari jungle, successfully recovering the concealed weapon with Rabha's cooperation. The tragic incident unfolded in the early hours of 26th April 2024 when Rabha's lifeless body was discovered hanging inside the male lockup at Khanapara Police Station. While initial indications point to suicide, the circumstances surrounding his death have triggered an immediate investigation. An executive magistrate appointed by the Deputy Commissioner's Office in Ribhoi District, Nongpo, is leading an inquest into Rabha's death alongside a medical officer. The investigation includes rigorous video and photographic documentation to ascertain the events leading to Rabha's untimely demise. Following this distressing event, authorities have opened a case under Section 304A of the Indian Penal Code at Nongpo Police Station and are actively pursuing the facts surrounding Rudra Rabha's death while under police custody.